Hi guys, today we will be playing Pinoy Hangout. So basically I am from Dakan, Pilipinas. So we'll be playing this game. Okay, but that's now. So let's play. Okay. Skip. Ooh. Wait, why am I on top of... Saan yung pasta? Ita, oyster fries here. This is good. Oops, I forgot I don't know how to... Oops, wait, I forgot I don't know how to use the piano.
Para ka naman bago sa luma, sa'yo lang naman ako. Promise ko yan ang pangako, padala mo sa bato. Para ka naman sinala, bakit sa bakit parang dahan-dahan ang luparan mo? Pananagtama mo, pero wag ka magalala. Marami akong plano. Talikuran mo na ang buhay mo. Sayang ang oras sa'yo, pati na rin sa atin o wala. Magandang tulad pinagagawa mo. Wala bukas kung meron sa ganyan.
What I'm gonna do? Hey, I don't get to... Let's just explore. Hey! This looks familiar. This is like the Kalak house. If you watch at GMA, it's every night it's here. So I think you're supposed to be here. I don't know. Don't remember. Sorry, store. Oh my God. So these stores, they are basically stores from the Philippines, like, and there's stores. They can. This is yummy. I remember eating it for dinner. Okay, so for the people that aren't in Philippines, such as Sad/Etc. FYP, this is basically Sari store is basically a normal store. This is
pag-upo niya bilang mayor, hindi rin niya ipagkakait ang serbisyo sa mga taga-MB. Ownership,
what's the what for?
is already part
Guys?
ng property ng pag-ibig.
Oh wait,
Pag-gamit for the meantime.
So let's see. Balot.
Sayang naman eh.
Burger.
Bakit yun naman yung pagkakait?
Every time my mom brings it home. Sorry guys, I have a cold. Sorry guys, Emma. Okay, so Bro, did you just go in there? The water is contaminated with trash. Everyone at every city in the Philippines, everyone in the Philippines knows that. We have to teach you. So guys, this is not fifth. This is actually our
Pero umaasa pa rin daw siyang magkakaayos silang
this is actually our real
Matatandaan tinalo ni Senator Nancy sa pagkaan
the real kind of
at asawa ni Mayor Adi na si Congressman Luis Campos. Kahit anong dahilan, sa at the end of the day, mag-aayos kami dapat.
our kind of
Pwedeng hindi kaya,
you know
sure, kasi
that is actually the river at our place.
na-create
So let's say it's very contaminated with trash and oh my. Wala. So I accidentally go to that water. Yeah, sometimes people pee in it. I'm not lying, guys. Some people pee in it. It's a childhood. Bali.
Ang steps kasi nito napaka-steep o
You guys know street food? But in our country, they meant it literally. It's like, you guys know, in your country, you guys probably have ice cream. Ice cream truck. In our country, let's say, it's not ice cream truck. Actually, it's like a carriage. And this is what it is. So the person, let's say, they just walk while, it's carriage. They hold the two things, these two handles, and then they walk it. And they stop at neighborhoods and ring a bell. And if people want ice cream, they're gonna come to him or her. Getting good? What do I do? Wala. Ay naman! Mandat, Lisa?
Ang record holder para sa pinakamahabang hagdan sa buong mundo, hawak ng Nissan Van Miniature Railway na matatagpuan
Tapos
sa 674 steps. Mga empleyado lamang ang madalas na gumagamit nito. Pero taon-taon may ginaganap ditong public run. Kung sasama man ako dito, hingan is real. Sa mga alam na malaman ang video sa ito ng
So, guys, that will be all for today. And please what's my song? And if you enjoyed the video, please like, and if you wanna see my channel, and keep in mind, next time I'll tap to my face for a long time. For any time.
Akala niya ako talaga yung may kailangan. Mag-utos agad siya dun sa staff. Essential money hinihingi ko sa kanya, which is around 40,000.
Hindi
So that will be it for today. If you want to keep in line and watch more of my videos, click my channel, and if you guys want, you can subscribe, and if you do, that will be a big support to me. I will be thank you. And I hope you get my views, and I hope that and if you really don't like it, try if you don't like it and wanna get a hate comment about it, don't kinda please don't make a hate comment.
Hanggang sa mga oras na ito, patuloy ang pag-i-scam ng taong naloko sa kanyang boss at sa dalawang pang kapwa-doktor.
Comments guys,
Identity theft.
this
Sa
I really like my so well
Ayon sa PNP,
please don't just scroll because nothing is good. I don't really you're not smart at me. I don't really recommend doing a hate comment on this video, so please try not to do it. Subscribe.
Ibinasura ng Justice Department ang reklamong mensahe ng dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte laban sa ilang opisyal at mga pulis na naguluho sa Kingdom of Jesus Christ para arestuhin si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy noong isang taon. Nakatutok si Sarima.
So, I really don't. It's just gonna be. I don't really like it. Maybe a waste of time. I don't know.
Jesus Christ sa Davao. Ang pakay para arestuhin si KOJC founder Pastor Apollo Kibuloy dahil sa naghain doon ng reklamo laban sa pamahalaan si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte bilang property administrator ng KOJC. Ito ang malicious chief
But I do suggest scroll if you don't like it, or watch another video. So no need to make a hate comments, but nice comments. You can anything, just no hate comments, okay? But if you are, I mean, I can't stop you anyways. But I can delete it. So don't recommend it because your comment might be deleted, or it's just a suggestion or it's a cringe. Maybe not. I don't know. So you have your hate comments have a chance to be deleted. Okay, so let's say. So don't do it because you have a chance to get report, so might just get deleted, and I know you might don't care. So maybe I just wasted your time. How much time? 13 minutes of your time. So let's say I'll say sorry for wasting some of your time. It was a waste of time. And I mean, you can still make it comments. Anyway, I might just read them. There's still a chance. And if I did, there will be a heart. And I might reply, okay? So that's all for today. Bye.